Miss Tara. So this week we've been learning all about bugs. And what bug did we learn about today? A worm! We learned all about earthworms. Well, today I have a really fun science experiment for us to do today. And guess what we're going to use? We're going to use gummy worms for our experiment. We are going to make our worms dance. Woo! This is going to be fun. So what you need for this activity is you need to go and get some gummy worms. You're going to need vinegar, baking soda, and you're going to need 2 clear cups. How many cups do we have? Can you help me count? 1, 2. Are my cups empty or full? They're empty. There's nothing in it. So what we're going to do first is we are going to grab 3 gummy worms. Okay, let's take out 3 gummy worms. How come it's not coming out? Oh, I need to open, silly Tara. Okay, I'm going to open the package up. And how many gummy worms did I say I needed? 3. Can you help me count out 3? 1, 2, and 3. Let's take a look at my gummy worms. What color is this worm? He's 2 colors, red and green. What color is this worm? Orange and yellow. And what about this worm? What color is he? Green and purple. You know what, friends? Let's grab some more gummy worms. Let's count out 9 worms. Can you help me count 9 worms? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more, 9. Let's see how many worms we have all together now. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many worms do we have? We have 12 worms. Okay. Now what we need is, put it to the side, our worms. We need 1 cup of warm water. So here is my measuring cup. And if we take a look, here is, what number is it? 1. We have 1 cup. Let's go to the 1 cup line of warm water. We're going to pour the water in our empty cup. What are we going to do? We're going to pour the water in our cup. Ready? Awesome. Now what we need to do is to get our baking soda. We need to measure 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and we're going to add it and pour it into our cup with water. Ready? Let's put the baking soda in the water. How come nothing's coming out? Oh, I need to open. Okay, let's open up the baking soda. And then we're going to measure out 3 tablespoons. What color is a baking soda? It's white. How does it feel? It feels soft. So can you help me count? I have 1, 2, And we need one more. And 3. Excellent. Now we're gonna grab a spoon and we're gonna stir. Stir the baking soda into the water. And stir round and round. Now we are going to put our worms in the water with the baking soda. Okay, we're gonna put all 12 worms into the water. Help me count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And now we have our worms inside. Now we have to wait 15 minutes to let our worms soak in to our baking soda and water. Okay, we're gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes. I'm going to start a timer. And when our timer goes off, we will come back to the worms. Okay, while we are waiting for our worms to soak in the baking soda, we are going to grab our second clear cup. And we're going to get our vinegar. We're going to pour vinegar all the way to the top of our cup. Right now, our cup is empty. So we're going to open, and we're going to pour vinegar to the top. Awesome. Now, let's take a look at our cup. Is it empty or full? It's full. We have vinegar filled to the top. Okay, now we're going to wait. So we are waiting for our timer to go off. Our gummy worms are soaking in the baking soda. The timer should be going off any minute now. Okay, so our timer went off. So now we're going to grab our fork and we're going to take out 4 gummy worms and we're going to put them into our vinegar. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, do you see them forming the bubbles at the bottom? Okay, let's see what they're going to do. Look, this one's rising a little bit. Do you see it moving? Whoa! See it wiggling the worm? They're wiggling all around. Now they should be rising up to the top, but for some reason, it looks like our experiment is not working today. They're wiggling on the bottom a little bit, but they should be moving up to the top. Oh, look, see how this one is coming up a little bit? Okay, friends, well, for some reason our experiment didn't work the way that I wanted to work. The worm should have moved up to the top and should have done a little dance, but for some reason, I don't know where I went wrong. It didn't work for me, but maybe you'll have better luck at home. So if you want to try this activity at home, feel free to do so and let me know how your experiment comes out. Okay, friends, have fun. I'll see you tomorrow.